TokenTap Tutorials, Awarding Tokens. TokenTap provides many ways to award tokens. Directly deposit tokens into student accounts. Tally up or batch deposit tokens for multiple students at the same time. Grant awards based on the token values of achieved goals. Hand out printed tokens or goal award certificates which students redeem in your online reward shop. This tutorial shows how to directly deposit 25 tokens into a student account, Johnny Bravos, along with a note on the ledger saying, "Nice work today." First, enter the student's area. Click Johnny's name to open his student profile page. Then click on the Ledger tab if it's not already up front. Click the Add Tokens button. The new deposit page opens. Verify the correct student is showing. Enter the amount of tokens to deposit. Optionally, write a note displayed to students on their ledgers. If the amount and note for the deposit is similar to other recent deposits, we can save some time by using the Recent Deposits dropdown. Select the deposit which copies the desired amount and note onto this deposit. Once satisfied with the amount of tokens and the ledger note, click the Save button. If Johnny or any of his followers have a verified email address and have not exceeded their notification limits, they are emailed a deposit notification. If the deposit has a mistake, it can be edited or deleted using the buttons on the far right of the ledger entry. Note that these buttons are only available for 7 days after the transaction. There's also a shortcut button to the new deposit page at the top right corner of the student profile. Back in the student's area, there is also a shortcut to the new deposit page. If it is not already visible, enter the Set View page for the student's grid. Switch the Deposit Tokens button to the On position and apply the changes. Click any of the deposit buttons to open the new deposit page for its corresponding student. Thank you for watching the Awarding Tokens tutorial.